This video provides Freshman Symposium mentors with a how-to guide to the top 5 things you need to know about Blackboard. Number 1, how to upload your syllabus. The Freshman Symposium class shell is already filled with content, including a syllabus template. To replace the template with a syllabus you have filled in, click on the syllabus link in the navigation menu. This will take you to a page that has the file attached to something that Blackboard calls an item. To remove this attachment and attach your own file, hover your cursor over the words Freshman Symposium Syllabus and click on the downward arrow that appears to the right of these words. Then click Edit. Scroll down to where you find the attachment under Attachments and click Mark for Removal next to the syllabus file. Then click Browse My Computer just above this and select the syllabus file you want to upload. Click Open within the selection window and then click Submit in Blackboard. You will now see your file as the attachment to the item. Number 2, how to add an item. Let's say that you want to add a handout or other resource for students to access, such as the Bazillion Tradition reading. First, go to the page where you want to add the item. In this case, you would go to Course Resources, and then click on the Bazillion Tradition folder. Next, choose Build Content from the top navigation bar and select Create Item. Type in the name of the item, such as Bazillion Tradition Reading, and a description of what it is or some other instructions, such as read this before class. Then click Browse My Computer below to select the file. Select the file, then click Open, and then click Submit. You will see your item at the bottom of the page. You can move it by hovering your cursor over the left side of the item and then clicking to drag it where you want it to go. Number 3, how to create and send an announcement. The announcement feature can be used to communicate with the entire class and keep in-house documentation of this communication. Click on Announcements on the left side navigation menu. Then click Create Announcement. Type in a subject and your message, such as Hello from us. For duration, below, I recommend selecting Not Date Restricted, as this will give students access to the announcement at any point during the semester. This option also gives you the ability to send this announcement to students by email just by clicking Send a copy of this announcement immediately and Submit. This will send your entire class plus you the announcement. The announcement will also appear on the announcements page. Number 4, how to send an email. If you need to communicate privately with a student or students, use the Send an Email tool on the left side navigation menu. As you can see, you can select single users to email, even simultaneously. The recipient list for any such emails will be anonymous by default. You will receive a copy of the email too. Just select the person that you wish to send the email to, type in a subject and your message, such as, Notice, you have not been to class. You can attach a file if necessary, Then click Submit. The email has now been sent to the student and to you. Number 5, how to enter a grade. You have 2 choices for grade entry. If students turn their work in on Blackboard, which is up to you as a mentor team to decide about, you can review and grade their work directly in Blackboard using inline grading. Additional information can be found about this topic in the inline grading tutorial in the Mentor Resources section of your Freshman Symposium course shell. Simply watch the video in order to find out how to use this feature. The alternate method is to input grades manually. Go to Grade Center, then Full Grade Center, and you will see all the students enrolled in this course as rows and the various assignments as columns. In this course shell, there's only 1 student enrolled. You can click in a cell and then type in the numeric grade for that student's assignment. Then hit Enter on your keyboard, and the grade will be in Blackboard. If you make a mistake, simply go back to the cell in question and retype the grade. This concludes the video on the top 5 things you need to know about Blackboard for Freshman Symposium mentors. If you need additional information, please be sure to visit the Mentor Resources section of the course shell, and in particular, take a look at the Blackboard Quick Guide for additional information about Blackboard.